So, back in the video, guys, I'm real fan Landon. Here is CSX M326 in the Blizzard. And it looks like it has old wine too, leading. Here's my GoPro right there, by the way. I'm filming GoPro snowdrift in you. Here we go. 326 right there. Here he comes right now. He is on top of a big snowbank here. Here we go. Let's get the snowdrift. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That was awesome. That was awesome. Empty gondolas. You normally can't see that they're empty, but I know they are. Today, I can guarantee they are empty because I'm on top of a steep mountain made of snow. Yeah, pretty cool. Here comes in train, guys. Here comes right now. Check out the speed now, guys. Holy smokes. CSX big blue box car right there. Mars. There's entering, guys. There it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I am Real Fan Landon out.